Hello photo enthusiasts! Today we're delving into a quick tutorial on how to download your favorite images from Google Photos. Whether you're on desktop or using the mobile app, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Downloading on desktop. Step 1. Select the desired photo. Click on the image you wish to download. Step 2. Access download options. Click on the three dots, Options menu, associated with the image. Step 3. Initiate download. Choose Download from the options presented. Downloading on mobile app. Step 1. In the Google Photos mobile app, tap on the image you want to download. Step 2. Access additional options. Tap on the three dots, Options menu, associated with the image. Step 3. Choose Download. Select Download from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Save to mobile device. The image will be promptly saved on your mobile device. Downloading photos from Google Photos is a breeze, empowering you to keep your cherished moments close. Whether you're using the desktop version or the mobile app, these simple steps ensure your images are readily available. If you found this guide helpful, share it with your fellow photo enthusiasts and enjoy the convenience of downloading memories at your fingertips. Happy downloading!